Good morning. As you guys can see, it's a sunny day in September in Pune, which is quite rare. But it also means that I can finally shoot my second vlog, and I've been waiting to do this for the longest time. And it being sunny basically means that we can go on a bike ride, and I cannot wait to show you guys what I have in store. So yeah, let's go ahead. Voila! Taken our first stop at this beautiful place somewhere in Mulshi. Designated rider provider. Ankit, do you feel like your mood was changing as the kilometers changed?
I think it was, yeah. Moving from the bustling city and then coming here and looking at this serene place right now, I feel so calm. And if you were here, whoever is watching, they'll feel so calm as well. So it's hard to put in words. Oh.
काफी वेट किया इसके लिए. Ankit, where are we?
So we have finally made it to Andaman after a ride of about 40 minutes. But why don't you tell the story?
Well, I mean, so this is towards Tamini Ghat, and we've been here a lot of times, but we could never locate this point, and we've finally done it. And just for you guys, say a big thank you, because now you guys know about this place. It's called the Independence Point, and it's right before the Tamini Ghat. And I mean, we've been looking at this place and people snap for years, but no one could tell us the exact spot. But yeah, here we are. Just look at this.
So Samarth, you have been traveling for so long now. Why the vlog now?
I think there are two things why I just thought of starting off with this right now. I think number one, obviously with the pandemic around us, everyone's sitting at home and consuming so much content, and I thought I want to be a part of that. I want people to see what we've been doing all this while, and the main reason obviously was to motivate people to please get out of their home. Just look at this. This is what it was 40 minutes from our home to reach here. I mean, that's how long you guys spend on playing a match of PUBG, which is thankfully not here right now. But yeah, so instead of that, just imagine you coming out here, sitting here, just chilling with your friends. It's a vibe, dude. And I think that's the whole reason. I just want them to see what's around them and enjoy it. Yeah, I think that's it. Couldn't show you a lot of the journey because it started raining like heavy. Thankfully it just stopped, and I mean, just look what's happening right now. So obviously we've taken a break. I guess this next try is going to hit different. But yeah, dude, good day. Ankit, so we started from a lake, went up to the hills, and now are in the clouds with it raining heavily. I ask you again, how did your mood change with every few kilometers?
It's really hard to describe, and the whole Sunday has been an overwhelming experience in its own. And as you said, starting from the lakes, smoking there at the spot, and then when you asked me the same question, so probably I did not have the same answers which I have now after doing a headstand at the Independence Point. Yeah.
Your perception has changed about a lot of things.
Exactly.
Successful Sunday indeed.
Samar, so you asked me a question ki while coming here, how my mood changed with every kilometer. So I just want to know ki what's your take on this?
I mean, it's just so beautiful, dude. Like, you know, when we started from our home, there was this excitement, yo, what are you going to see? Then you saw the lake, and you know, like, your mood changed. Then you saw the clouds, your mood changed again. And then the rains happened, and you actually didn't mind it. Like, it was actually so beautiful. Like, every bit of it was just so good. And now that I think about it, it's just that we're back to the same spot. But there's so much more in my mind now. Like, there are so many more thoughts. There's so many more beautiful places in my head. And yeah, dude, like you said, I mean, you carry your own weather. So like when we left, it was sunshine. That's what our mood was. And then you said you wanted rain, and so you manifested it. It's beautiful. It's not just the road which is a journey. It's also your thoughts which is a journey. And I think that's it. Cut.
Travel vlogs. What started as a one-off thing has now become an important part of my week. I keep traveling any which ways, but the thrill to record the best of it and show my vision to you guys is a whole another trip of its own. The aim is simple though. I just want to create that urge that one needs to finally step out. And by the looks of it, I seem to be on the right path after all. So here is a big cheers to a lot more that's yet to come.